What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all our brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Today we are going to be learning how to do some basic yoga poses. But before we do, let's start with our warm-up. Since we already learned how to do a squat in the last unit, let's do 3 squats to warm up. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to start on the floor to learn the Cobra Pose. We'll start by laying on our stomach, all the way down to the floor, palms at your side, and you're just going to gently raise your head up, holding that pose. Coming back down, make sure your toes are tucked. Relax your muscles. Take a deep breath in, push up. Coming up just like a cobra. Coming back down to the ground. Taking that deep breath in, making sure those toes are tucked, palms are down, pushing up gently. Deep breath in, release it. We'll push back up on all fours, back into our child's pose, pushing ourselves back up. In that ready position, give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day.